Hey everyone, welcome to Dee LaVigne. If you're new, welcome. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit that bell. That way YouTube will notify you every single time I put out a new video. Today, I have a Christian Louboutin unboxing for you guys. I'm so excited to share my new shoes. Oh my goodness, these are so freaking cute. I'm just so excited about this. I'm interested to see what you guys think as well, because it's definitely a different shoe than any other shoes that I have in my collection, although my shoe collection isn't really as big anymore. Like last year, the year before, I did a huge purge of my closet where I got rid of a lot of things. I got rid of stuff, sent it to my family. I sold a lot of things and I donated a lot of things. Just things that I wasn't really using and wearing, or whatever the case may be. Really excited to add these babies and to share with you guys what I got. Pause the video. Let me know down below, what do you think? What kind of style, what style do you think is in this box right here? Just to make it a little fun. Okay, so here is the box that it comes in. I don't usually save my shoe boxes. I'll save the dust bags that it comes with just for like when I travel with them or whatever, but other than that, this will probably go in the trash. But this is what the box looks like. Opening it up. And here's the inside. So the shoes are in the dust bags. And then there's another little dust bag for the, I believe, the heel. So y'all know it's heels now. It's not like flats or sneakers, but yeah, it has like the little heel on the bottom to replace if need be. Here's the dust bags. So, introducing my new pair of Louboutins. Ta-da! Look how adorable. Okay, you guys, I know there's a lot going on in this shoe, different colors, different textures, all sorts of things, but when I tried these on, it was like just perfect and I had to get them. I just love how different they are, and I love all of the different colors. There's like the purple on the bottom. This top orange part right here is like kind of like a cloth, or it feels like a little sponge a little bit. It's like a neon orange, and I can't tell whether or not the leather lining right here is like a white or a blush pink, or like an off-white. And then on the back of the shoe, you have like this green, little pastel green color. There's some gold in here. There is, of course, the red sole, and the heel is filled with a bunch of like glitter and sequins, not glitter, yeah, glitter sequins. And I just love it. And the heel, I feel like the heel height is just the perfect heel height. They're so comfortable, so incredibly comfortable. When I first saw these, I'm not gonna lie, I'm like, oh my gosh, they're so adorable, they're so cute, but there's not really a platform, so these babies are gonna hurt. But I was totally wrong. They are so comfortable. When I tried them on, I could walk in them perfectly fine. Usually before, like when I know I'm about to wear heels, it sounds really crazy, but I'll have to wear it for a few days around the house for a little bit to like practice and get my feet used to heels, because I don't wear heels nearly as much as I used to since having kids. But I used to be able to walk in like ginormous heels before kids, because I always used to wear heels, but nowadays it doesn't happen too often. I walked around in these and like just try them on, and so comfortable. I could literally walk in these for 8 hours straight. Like, that's how comfortable they were on, and I just loved how they look on. Let me see what the name is. It is the Disco Port 120 SP in the color Version Sunset is what it's called. These right here are a size 34.5, so I'm usually a 35 or a 34.5. I'm typically a 35 in any other brand, But in Christian Louboutin, I am mainly 34 and a half. Yeah, I'm super pleased with my purchase. I totally couldn't wait to share this with you guys. So let me know down below in the comment section if you guys would like me to do a lookbook on these shoes, like featuring these shoes and other shoes, or if you guys would like to see a luxury shoe collection or whatever you guys would like. Let me know down below in the comments. And also, let me know, what do you think of these shoes? Do you think they're a bit much? Do you think they're a little too much going on, or do you really love them like me? I still personally really love them, but I always love to hear what you guys think. I love you guys. Subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I put out tons of content like this. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye!